No way. I'm definitely sleeping in the car tonight.
Who are you? Who is this dog? Good morning. Uh-oh.
Hey, baby. He's making me smooth. Okay. You going in?
Yeah, it's going
Ah.
What? Oh my goodness.
Gonna eat all of our food?
What?
What are we gonna do?
So this is a lovely way to wake up in the morning when you're camping in the New Forest. Wake up and there's a fucking donkey in your tent. You're like, cunt.
I can't believe that.
Alright, I gotta get him out of there.
Oh my god, shut up.
Comes closer that we're going in.